Hello everyone, these are video instructions. Today we're going to go over surveys and show you how easy it is to deploy surveys using Mosio Q&A and then also to instruct your users to initiate them. We'll start with that. So all your users, members, audience, whatever you want to call them, need to do is text the word survey to your virtual texting number. Now this virtual texting number is one of our demos. You'll have your own and it will be local to an area code, closest to your home office. But effectively, this is all they have to do. They just text the word survey. It's not case sensitive. It can be lowercase, uppercase. We're just doing this for emphasis here. Now I'll show you quickly how easy it is to make a survey. We already have one here. Forget this Mosio admin box. Basically, survey questions. So we have one made already, and you're welcome to take it. If you go to the website, you can see the call to action, which is text survey to that number I just showed you. Editing the questions. Now in this case, question 1 is a yes or no question. Do you love the Beatles? It's a yes or no. It shows you there and it has the 28 characters. Now text messages have 160 characters, but with Mosio Q&A, you have up to 600. So if I'm going to edit this in this yes or no question, you can see that I'm using 57 of 600. Now we don't recommend that you use up to 600, but in a first question, if you want to use that space to tell a little bit more about the survey, then you can do that. You can move questions to the start, you can move them up and down in order, you can move it to the end, or you can delete it. So go ahead and click the editor and go on to the next one. Number 2 is a 1 to 10 scale. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love the Beatles? Again, if you want to change, because this is a 1 to 10 scale, I can change it to single letter, 1 to 5 numeric, free response, and then there's a whole other list of things that are they get very, very technical in what you're able to do. The next one is A through E scale. So you can see here, it asks, respond with the letter only and gives the person taking the survey choices. Because it's A through E scale, it will only accept an A, B, C, or a D, or it will send an error response. And I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. And then finally, what we have, we call free response. So it'll accept any answer. That they send in, and I'll show you what an example of some of those here in just a second. So with the error response, if in free response any answer will be accepted, but in A through E, for example, if they were to respond with M, you can customize the error response. So we just have as a default, sorry, we did not recognize the value of that answer. Please try again. And then also we have a survey completion. That's customizable by you. So in ours, we have saying, thank you so much for completing the survey at poll. For more information on Mosio Q&A, visit us here. So that's as easy as it gets in terms of creating surveys. And we already showed you the instructions on how to get people to take them. Now, when you get to your responses, when you click on graphs, some people use this, they'll take a screenshot of it and add it into a report. Other people want to show it up on a screen. But effectively, you'll see in all these questions, it shows the yes and no responses. It will show the accounts. You can see here that people, most people that have responded really, really like the Beatles. A couple people really, really like the Beatles, and some not so much. And we do the same with A, B, C, and D. You'll see that E is not an answer because it wasn't provided in there. Now, on the free response, what is your favorite band of all time? These are all people that responded with whatever they wanted in terms of their favorite band of all time, and that all shows up there. So that's basically as easy as it gets in terms of creating surveys and deploying them to your audience or your members. If you have any questions, you can let us know. If you're finding this video out on the internet, you can find out more about our service at mosio.com/Q&A. Thanks and have a great day.